We plan to do a lot of these videos, and we'd like them to be as helpful as possible to you. I'm reminded of my favorite quote in landscape architecture. The great challenge for the garden designer shouldn't be to make the garden natural, but to make the garden so the people in it will feel natural. And that speaks to addressing the needs of people. And that's the same way we're thinking about these videos. Every day I'm working on making outdoor environments better, making soil better, growing every kind of plant there is. And so we'd like to use, I think I run across a lot of interesting things, we'd like to use those experiences to benefit you. Tell us how we could best accomplish that, and we'll make our future videos tailored to what you need.